we've got another RC car to review. The Rlaarlo 1/14 scale carbon brushless buggy. And I know everybody, every man and his dog seems to have had one of these. And there's 1,000,001 reviews. And you're probably all thinking, oh my God, another review. But we're going to be doing something different. We're not going to be doing it stock. In this video, we're going to stick some upgrades in it, give it more power. We have some secret sauce that is going to go in there. And see how durable it is at maximum speed. Now, I'm not going to deny it is probably the best looking 1/14 buggy you can buy. Look at that carbon chassis, absolutely stunning. Carbon front shock tower, carbon rear shock tower, Ackerman plate. And I almost totally forgot, it's got carbon fibre hinge pin holders as well. Front and rear, oil-filled shocks. Not going to go over the rest of the gubbins on it. I'll put a link in the description below where you can get the car and all the information. Callum's decided to come and have a look at it. What do you think of it then?
I think it looks quite snazzy.
We do a drop test?
Yes.
What do you think of that?
I thought that was quite the supple suspension.
Now they do claim that it'll do 75 to 80 kilometres an hour, potentially 90 plus kilometres an hour on a 3S battery. Well, we're about to find out. But one thing I do know is we are going to get it to go faster than that. Get this 2S LiPo charged up, and we're going to take the car out, see what it will run stock 2S and 3S before we come back and stick these upgraded parts in. Oh, is that you?
That's not me.
Oh, mate, something proper stinks round here. Are you sure it's not you?
I'm sure.
Oh, we're in the gas alert. Gas alert. God, might be her. Her in that car, I think she's done it. Weather conditions not great. We just had a little downpour. Definitely the weather has cooled down, hasn't it, Callum?
Yeah.
Even though he's still in his shorts and his t-shirt. I'll give this a quick run on 2S. How fast do you think it's going to go?
30.
30 miles an hour?
Yeah.
Oh, way quicker than that.
Really?
45 miles an hour. Are you sure that's not you?
It must be drains.
Drains or something or other. Oh, hello. Oh, what's that? Hey, you sure you still want to call 30?
40.
Oh, off you go then. Avoid the puddles. Oh, it's sliding all over the place. We've got to get this on 3S. Right, come on then. Speed run. Stop messing around. It's supposed to be a quick bit. Do I need to do it or something?
Maybe.
Alright, go on. Better. I'll bring it back. Oh, four-wheel drift?
Yeah. Stock.
40 miles an hour, he called it.
Oh, is that
he
you?
called it. No, that's you. Give this the beans on 3S then. You didn't turn it on. Oh, ow, 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 ow. Oh, that burnt my hand. Do it gently so I can keep things out of the way. Go on, go, slowly, slowly, build it up, build it up, build it up. Is that full power? Full power. Oh my God. Can you stop on time? In not ideal conditions. Oh! Definitely popping wheelies. I think in these conditions it's the best we're going to get. 48. Oh, it looks faster than that.
It does.
Now we can show you what the secret sauce was. We have a 3650 5200 kV motor. Now I'm guessing you'll want to know what was in the black box. Well, that was a bit of clickbait. I'm sorry, couldn't help myself. If I'd have shown you what it was beforehand, you'd have known. But it is in fact a new ESC, Hobbywing 10 BL60 60 amp 3S ESC. By my calculations, this should power the car faster on 2S than it was previously going on 3S. So only knows what it will do on 3S. That's the ESC out, and now I've got to get this top plate out to get this motor out. Oh boy, just had a real nightmare. So we've got the motor out, and quite clearly, that motor was not going to fit in there. So I started panicking. I thought, oh no, what am I going to do? Then I had a brainwave. So I've disassembled our old WL Toys 1240, whatever it is, to have a look. And that comes with a big brush motor. Luckily, it's the same motor mount, only this one has got the bigger holes in it as well. And put that on there. It does fit. Yippee! That is a stock motor, 3200 kV. The upgraded motor, 5200 kV. Look at the size difference. Just cheated a little bit. I have just trimmed the wires back, put the Dean's connector on, and then I've taken the motor wires off, because I need to fit it in like that, and then solder these directly onto the ESC. I am going to do that off the camera. And the main reason for that is, as you can probably see, it's dark outside. It's getting late. I want to go to bed. Not my best job in the world, but boy, was it tough putting it in there. Next, we're going to put this Fly Sky receiver in there, and that is so that we can then use our Fly Sky Noble. Now we're going to plug it in, turn it on, and make sure I've wired it up the right way and that everything works before we finally put everything in where it's supposed to be. It's a moment of truth. Will it all fire up or will it go bang? Oh my God, that thing is going to absolutely go. Back out with the Rlaarlo, what do you call it?
Rlaarlo.
The new system in there, the new EC, the new motor, 2S battery, stock tyres. And we're going to see how fast it goes on 2S.
Yes.
We just had to shoot home, didn't we?
Yeah.
Why was that?
Because you forgot the GPS.
Oh, I forgot the GPS, or did you forget the GPS?
You forgot it.
I have to remember everything. The good news is, what has gone today?
Your smell.
My smell. Your smell?
Not my smell.
Just haven't kept control of it. I've just got enough space. Oh, it sounds good. Dry today as well. What do you reckon today on 2S then?
I'm reckon 43.
I haven't got a Scooby-Doo. 48!
That's not bad.
That is pretty good. 48 miles an hour on 2S. Now what time is it?
3S time.
Oh, wheelie! Got some power now. Oh, Ah, 46? No. You reckon it's the wheels ballooning? Oh yes. Oh, it's come unglued, look.
Too much power.
Too much power. That's what our problem is. We have brought out these contact foams, specially designed for speed running. So we're going to get them on there now. Off we go to see what we can do on the foam. We're going to pull a wheelie, so you're going to have to be really careful, really gentle on the power. We just haven't got much room here. Whoa! That was absolute perfection on your timing there. Just a little nose nudge. 55 miles an hour. Callum is going to have a drag race, modified Rlaarlo versus Claire's RC stock Rlaarlo. Ian driving and Claire filming.
And now I've got to say pretty much the same as you. So
Granite is the end point.
This video is going to be very alive.
It's going to be snap. Deja vu.
Mark, get set, go!
Oh, they're all over the place. Look at that. Straight line, boys. Oh!
Oh, rain.
Oh.
Rain sucks.
Walk of shame. Winner, winner.
Chicken dinner.
Shall we swap drivers?
Yeah, good idea. Ready, steady, go!
Really, but...
Oh, it might be the car. Ian's doing pirouettes. Callum's gone all over the place. They don't like going. Oh, Callum's going to come back.
They really thought they were going the straight line, do they?
Oh! Oh! Winner, winner.
Chicken dinner.
Number 2. Conclusion is obviously
It's crap.
they. What is it?
It's crap.
They don't like going straight, that's for sure. Now for the ultimate durability test. The skate parker do. Okay, young Callum.
Yes.
What do you want to do with it first?
Jump it.
Oh, slammed an X-Max. Oh, first jump. Is it okay? Head on into an X-Max. Took that. See if you can do your slipper, what did you call it? A slipperoonie? When you jump off of here. Smoothie woovie. That's not very smoothie woovie, is it?
To be up here today.
And then, no slipping. Oh, Callum's given up on the smoothie woovie.
Yeah.
What do you want to do now? You want to do a drop in?
Yeah, throw it.
Oh no. Oh, is it okay? Bit of a nasty landing, but I think we're okay. Right, another one. Oh, you smoothie woovied that! Oh! Broken it.
Yeah, it popped off.
Oh, just pop off. Oh. It's like those pegs you put on the old bikes, isn't it? Oh yeah, that sounds nitro now.
Jump it again and it will straighten it.
Oh, it's like an X-Max.
Yeah.
Oh no, it still make that noise.
I think it's better now. Oh, it's worse.
Okay, the next jump, Callum's going to drop it off of there, going to hit this ramp hard and try and clear that one. Hang on, do this one. Not the right land, not the right ramp. That's better. Oh, he's cleared it. Oh, that was a nasty landing though. Don't hit yourself.
But you got to clear himself, has he?
Yeah.
That's not going to work. Oh, no, there we will. I thought we could do it from that one.
Oh.
Battery's out.
What have you done to it, Callum?
Killed the servo.
You killed your servo, Callum. Yeah. Parts department.
Thank you.
That's still steering though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh right, if it's still steering, we can still go. What are you doing, Callum?
Suicide jump. Take it across the field, hit this flat out, avoiding the box.
Avoiding that box. And it's going over there, so, but we've got no chase. If it's in the tree, we've got no chase to get it down, have we?
You know.
And I'm sure you all want to see me climb in a tree. Can you keep it straight? We've done it. Oh!
I think it's alright.
I think it'd be, that's a good landing. What else can we do with it, Callum? We've got to test this thing.
Just land it bad on purpose.
Land it bad on purpose.
Yeah.
I want to try and do a chassis breaker. Go for a drop in off of here, hit that ramp, try and clear that. Are we good? No, that shock is definitely fried. It's not happy, is it?
No.
It's seriously not happy. Down this one, go on, full field. Oh! That was close to a chassis breaker. Oh! So close. The drive shaft doesn't like it. Oh, is that a bit of cogging? Oh! Definitely sounds motorised now.
Dead.
Sorry?
Oh, it's back.
Servo's back.
Oh, no, it's dead.
No. It sounds so good. Oh! That's the pinion.
Smoking.
Is it?
Smoking. Be quick.
Pinion's gone. Sit rep, we've got bent shocks because they're not flattening out. Chassis seems to have taken it. Few scuffs. Servo's gone. Centre drive shaft's gone, or something's gone. Sounds like a nitro car. Doesn't really drive straight, does it?
No.
Don't know, guys. I mean, we've obviously upgraded it. I think it's a bit pricey at $199. Got carbon chassis and everything, but I don't know. Not convinced on it, to be brutally honest with you. I don't think it gets the hardcore seal of approval, do you?
I don't think it does.
Not bad, but there's better out there for cheaper, to be brutally honest with you. It's nice with the carbon, but yeah, too expensive.